One thing that is very important when we look at the tourism figures is at the aircraft movements. On the island of Statia, we see that the aircraft movements haven't reached the level of 2019. We compare with 2019 because it's the last year that was the normal year, to say so. It didn't have any influence from COVID as yet. So compared to 2019, the aircraft movements on St. Eustatius didn't reach that level yet. So that has to do also, the amount of tourism has to do with the aircraft movements also. And on Ceiba, we see another development, that the aircraft movements have gone up compared to 2019. That means that the aircrafts, there are less tourists in each aircraft, if you understand what I mean.